to provide relief to the stranded people under the COVID management. And the 25 councillors took the entire 8 lakhs. That was about 32,000 per head, per councillor. And they gave in writing saying that they procured dry ration, cooked food and served the people of Margao in their respective wards. So तेन्नाय बी आमी अनाउंस केल्लें की असले काउन्सिलर सपोज आसात जे जाणें हो नोबल सर्वीस केल्लो आसा लोकांक रांदून वाडपाचो, जाल्यार तांकां फेलिसिटेट करचें म्हण, मातशें आयडेंटिफाय करचें म्हण. म्हळ्यार इतले लेवलाचेर पासून ते वचपाक रावना की खंयच्यान पयशे काडपाक मेळटा काय म्हण चोवपाक. आनी व्हडलें हें म्हणल्यार 15 लाख सुमार म्युनिसिपालिटीचे 15 लाख मोडल्या टुरा वचपाक. कितलेशेच टोटल 11 टूर सुमार गेल्ले आमचे काउन्सिलर फाटले. आनीक इवन प्रॉपर रिपोर्ट दिवना, प्रॉपर बिल सबमीट करूना, तरी पासून तांकां नो ड्यू सर्टिफिकेट इश्यू केल्ले आहा. एक्स्ट्रा ऑन ईच प्लांट नियरली अराउंड 17 crores was at stake extra to be paid to GOANEWS home. So this also we exposed. We even wrote to the Chief Secretary, and finally it has not happened. Here we in fact have to appreciate the present Chief Officer, who now has already set the ball rolling to set up one machine of 5 tons per day biomethanation plant, costing 2.40 crores. 40 or 42, but not the 4.81 this thing, and it will be checked for its efficiency, and thereafter the other plants may be ordered, maybe work order may be given. But here we express our apprehension that if the Margaonkars again bring the same people who are in charge last 5 years, we are sure that they will come up with some route to get these double priced biomethanation machines in Margao. Alternative Margao दिवपा सोदतात, मडगांवकारां दिवपा सोदतात की असले लोकांक मातशें जाता ते भाशेन पयस दवरा, कित्याक हे परतून येयले जाल्यार तुमचे आनीकूय तितलो बर्डन येतलो, फायनान्शियली टॅक्सा वाटेन जावं जाल्यार दुसरी फिजा वाटेन जावं.